Today we're going to learn to use the distributive property to find the area of a rectangle. So here's our rectangle. We have 3 by 6, those are the dimensions. We could just find the area, but the cool thing about the distributive property is you can divide or partition up your rectangle into 2 rectangles and still find the correct answer. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have a blue rectangle here and a red rectangle here. So here is my red rectangle, and instead of it being 6 for the length now, I'm going to have a length of 4 for my red rectangle and a length of 2 for my blue rectangle. It's still 3 by 6, it's just a 3 by 2 now and a 3 by 4 rectangle. So I'm going to draw my rectangle and color in the unit squares so you can actually see them. This is a 3 by 2, and now I'm going to make my 3 by 4. So you can actually see the unit squares for each rectangle. Okay? Instead of a 3 by 6, now I have a 3 by 2 and a 3 by 4. So let's start distributing them up. This is what it looks like with an equation. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 3 times 6. A 3 by 2, which is right here, plus a 3 by 4, which is right here, makes 3 rows of 6. Another way to look at it is 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, plus 3 rows of 4, 1, 2, 3, makes 3 rows of 6, 1, 2, 3. And we solve. 3 times 2 is 6, and sure enough we're going to find 6 unit squares in there. 3 times 4 equals 12. Sure enough, you're going to find 12 unit squares in there. And 3 times 6 equals 18. We forgot to write our units. Square units. Whenever you're looking for area, you always write square units or whatever unit you're working with. So I hope that helped learning about the distributive property and helping you see what area really means.